Hi, I'm Cliff Berry, coming to you from my house where even the paintings on the wall are four-directional. I'm talking to you because I want to recommend to you this Flourish and Get Paid program that I've been working on with Craig Tennant and Montine. I think most people that know me know that I pretty much got to do what I wanted to do with my life. Like, I get to do what I love. Not only that, I get to mostly do it with people I really love doing it with, and I get to pretty much do it the way I want to do it. So in terms of flourishing and getting paid, I've done the flourishing part. That's worked well. Founding shadow work has been exactly what I love to do in my life. But I haven't always gotten paid as much as I could. And I think one reason for that is that I was very skeptical about advertising technology because what I saw in advertising was a bunch of false claims and a bunch of hype, false promises, and I didn't want to import something into shadow work that didn't feel like shadow work, wasn't in line, interconnected with the shadow work principles. But a couple of years ago, Craig Tennant kind of came to me and started connecting with me and started supporting me, and Craig was looking into how to get out there and be doing his own thing, flourish and get paid in his own way. And he was very patient with me and very supportive of me, kind of helped me follow the breadcrumbs while we collaborated and worked out together kind of how to integrate a lot of what's out there about advertising with the shadow work model so that it isn't all just false claims. In fact, sometimes being more vulnerable is way more effective in advertising than making false claims, and there's other things too. I think we've kind of discovered that as we integrated it with the four directions, that some of the key things that people need to do this are really high quality support. You really need high quality support, and that's something you might not think about, and something you can really get from Craig and Montine, really help you. When I was getting shadow work going, I didn't have a lot of that kind of support, and it made it much harder for me and much more painful. Also help you to have some really deeper theory about it. That's a great thing to have. And it's also great to have a way to make it safer for you to take a step at a time, nothing too big all at once, so that if you get knocked backwards, you don't get knocked all the way off your quest. Because I think learning to do what you love in the world and get paid for it is a very, very challenging quest, something you're going to have to work really hard at. It's going to bring up a lot of your fear. Fear's been my friend along this pathway for a very long time, and some of the times I'm terrified, and having that support and theory and making it safe enough to be able to move ahead even when I am scared, even when I am thinking maybe this will never work, I could never happen to me or whatever, has really, really been helpful for me. So I recommend this program. If you're somebody who wants to be doing, what you love to be doing and get paid for that, that's not for everybody, but if it is for you, I really recommend that you connect with Craig and Montine and this program, because I think they'll take really good care of you. They'll teach you well. They'll be patient with you. They'll get you support from themselves and other people in the program that'll really help you do that much better.